Yeah, what's up, Tony Gold? What's up? Mm. I mean, come on, man. All right. I don't know what's going on tonight, but man, it's going on, dude. It's definitely going on. I don't know what the hell's going on. Man, it seems like my Futures Desk account is not logging in. Not allowing me to log in. Mm. Man, I just don't want to. Man, that just sucks, man. That just sucks. That sucks. That really just it just sucks, man. It just sucks. Man, that sucks, man. Just watching the market go, and I can't even participate in this move, man. Mm. Man. Mm. Mm. Man, that just sucks, man. That just sucks. Yeah. All right, man. All right. All right. All right. What is the date? The 4th? Hey, yo, what's up, Lone Wolf? So, yeah, my futures trading desk, for whatever reason, I went to the Discord and then asked if anybody else was experiencing any issues with the dashboard not loading up, and nobody responded. Looks like I don't see anybody else complaining about it, so I don't know if it's just me. Mm. Okay. Man, I can't just. So I gave in and bought a damn account. I shouldn't have done that though. I shouldn't have done that. I give my damn 150K combine. Then we gotta go to silver. Oh yeah, they blocked silver. I forgot. I forgot they blocked silver. Ah man, I forgot they blocked silver. I can't even trade silver. I forgot they blocked it. But I can sell 5 freaking micro contracts though, right? Honestly, man, I'm gonna have to do some fucking math here. I don't know. Oh, I had it perfectly. Come on, no, no, no. Come on, silver. That was some bullshit. Oh my god. That was some bull. Oh my god. No. That was some bull. Ah! That was some bullshit, dude. That was some just good old fashioned bullshit, man. Damn. Oh, now I made too much. I think I made too much. Now I gotta lose. Now I gotta figure out how much money I gotta lose. I made too damn much. Damn it. Damn. All right. So I can do this. I can do this. All right. So I just need to lose $945. I can do this. $945. I can lose $945. All right. Let me go try to go long here. Man, if this thing goes long, okay. I can lose $945. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. All right. Yo, where the frick? You can't even make this shit up, man. You can't make this shit up, man. You can't make it up. You really can't. You can't make it up. Come on. You can't make this shit up, man. You can't make it up, man. You can't make this shit up. Come on. The one time I want you to stop me out. Come on, stop me out. Come on. Damn. God damn, dude. All right, that's good enough, man. That's good. Well, shit. Man, if I had a single payout account, man. All right, man. Yeah. Hold on, guys. Give me like 10 minutes, man, or 5 minutes. Give me 5 minutes. I mean, I don't think I can ever recover from that. Well, not necessarily recover, but don't give me a second. All right, sorry about that, guys. All right. What a night. What a night. What a freaking night, man. So, man. So, I'm probably going to chill out on my Lucid account. I just lost this whole week of work is just gone. I don't know what the hell happened, man. I really don't know what the hell happened. All I know is that I was trying to make $700 and I lost 27. So I basically got to start all over again, and it's a damn account again. And I don't know, man. Like, dude, it filled one of my orders. Like, I don't know why. It filled one of my orders instead of filling the full position. It was only 2 micro contracts, dude. I couldn't believe that. Like, dude, it was the first domino in a chain of reaction of just stupid shit happening right now tonight. It filled 1 micro order dude, all I had was 2 micro and it filled 1. It hit the target, and so I tried to scale in and try to just make the money so I could be done for the weekend. One thing led to another, and it started doing all this chopping crap and kept stopping me out. And then I had the nerve to go after I hit. So yeah, man, I'm kind of done with these account. Like, dude, I don't know what it is, man. I just don't know. I really don't know. I don't know. It's when I feel cheated, I fight back. And for whatever reason on Silver, this bitch likes to punch you and she likes to hit you hard. Stupid bitch. She likes to hit you really, really, really hard in the face. And then you go and you cry on the treadmill. Because of how hard she hit you. It's like, man, I didn't know she could hit that hard, man. I didn't know she could hit that hard. Man, that bitch can hit you, man, and it hurts. Dude, like, game way, I'm not fighting the structure, dude. I was trading in the right direction. It's just that she filled one of my targets. And then when I tried to scale in and try to make it back I think I needed just like $200 or $300 more dollars. I needed $200 more dollars, and then she had the nerve to push back up. I was going short, man. Had the nerve to push back up and shit. I just kept going short, and she kept pushing back up. And then, dude, you know where I was short at? All the way up here, man. And she kept chopping me up. This stupid bitch, man. God damn. Just want to... kept chopping me up here, man. Like, I would go short. She would go down. And then pop up. Down, pop up. Pop up, pop up, pop up. And then she does this shit right here, man. I'm like, yo, what? Man. I don't know what it is about. I think Silver was just fucking with me all today, man. She was just messing with me all today. And yeah, I just lost like $2,700. So I'm gonna make that shit back tomorrow. I'm blowing the account. I'm making it back tomorrow. I'm blowing the damn account. I'm just kind of tired of that account right now. I really am. Tired of that damn account. Because I just hate the fact that, I mean, honestly, I don't even know how I hate the fact that I was able to lose $2,700 in that account, because it's supposed to be a $1,200 loss limit in that shit. To let me just lose $1,200. Like, man. So I'm just kind of pissed. Just pissed. I'm just pissed that for whatever reason, every time I get emotionally hijacked, I can't seem to come back until I blow the account or get what I want. I just hate that. And I put up so many measures to prevent that from happening. But when it does happen, man. When it does happen. And it's just so frustrating, man. It's frustrating. And then the market just keeps trending. It's like, man, I just keeps freaking trending, man. Like, relax. What are you trending so damn much for? Okay. Man. Man, I don't know, man. I don't know. I really don't. I really don't. I don't know. I don't know what I want anymore in the trading markets. I really don't. I don't know what I want. I'm just so over the evals. I'm over trading evals. I don't like the Oh, I lost my practice account. Huh, so I wonder why. I mean, why do they that Top Step doesn't make sense. Or maybe just because it's in the sim. Maybe I can oh, I guess not. I don't get it. Well, okay. Hmm. Yeah, what's up, Steven? Sarganus, Watus. Uh, yeah, I'm kind of dumb, man. I'm kind of done. I don't know what I want. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what I want. Getting kind of tired of this. I don't know. I'm just getting tired of it. Not trading, just the whole the hamster wheel. I'm just getting tired of it, man. Just getting tired of it. Just getting tired of it. I just hate the fact that no, I'm just angry that I just lost all that money. And like out of all things to happen, man, like seriously, it only fills one of my limits. And then it comes back and then silver chops me up. Blow the damn, or not blow the account, hit daily loss limit, or I lose all that damn money. And then it proceeds to do this super drop. It just like God. Oh my God. And then I lose money. I want to lose money. Then I make 2 or 3K just like that. And it's stuff like that is like, okay, man. I mean, is it me? Is it the market? Am I in self-sabotage mode? Am I blowing up the accounts because I'm tired of the anxiety, the pressure to perform in multiple accounts? So I'm trying to blow all my accounts and start fresh. Is that what I'm doing right now? And it's crazy to say that because so I don't feel the anxiety. I don't feel pressure to perform. But what I will say that bothers me a lot is that I have to try to make money in all my accounts. And it always feels like I'm rushing or something. I'm just trying to rush and get it all over with. And I'm not even enjoying the moment. But still, like I said, I just feel cheated, man. I just feel cheated. Like, look at this, man. Like, what the fuck, man? What's up with this? Like, why is it that every time I get out of a funded account, I'm having a hard time making the minimum amount. And then here I am, just made $2,000 just like freaking that in the practice account, man. Like, what's up with that? That's what I'm tired of. It's just the bullshit. It's just the bullshit. It's just the obstacles that I keep putting in my way. It's just the obstacles, man. It just feels like I'm walking on eggshells, man. I don't like that shit. I hate that I have to trade passively. I hate that shit, man. I hate feeling like I'm walking on eggshells. I hate that I don't feel like I have to wait multiple days, trade 5 days at least to get a payout. I hate that shit. It just seems that I can't find an account that just fits me. I just hate it. Every time I look at the damn chart, the market is trending or dropping or doing something stupid. It's like, well, goddamn. You see what I'm talking about? Like, dude, I'm in a practice account, man. Like, look, dude, what's going on? Come on. And then the jumping at, like, dude, that was crazy, man. That like, dude, out of all things to happen, to get $4,500 exactly, or $480, 400, whatever the amount was, it bounces literally at my target and then comes back and stops me out, my trailing stop, and then proceeds to smash the original target. It's just stuff like that, man. I'm just kind of tired of that. Just tired of it. Just tired. Yeah, but it is frustrating. Dude, it does it at the wrong moments, man. I was going to lock out my account. Like, dude, I had it all planned out. Man, Man, I don't know, man. Dude, I really don't know what the hell happened today. I really don't know. Like it's a cognitive dissonance to me for sure. Because I don't experience stuff like this. I just don't. I don't experience the I mean the way I trade, I shouldn't be getting stopped out. In terms of getting stopped out and then it going in my direction. I mean, I literally trade in a way that shouldn't happen. And if it does happen, it should be few and far in between. But it just seems like now, the market's been finding a way to come back and stop my positions out and then going to my target. And that is frustrating. I want to trade a more aggressive style, but that's super dangerous on silver. Super dangerous. Unless I'm willing to get just like a big account and no daily loss limit. Just risk the whole account every time I take a trade. And then I just went super tilt and I took it out on all my funded accounts. Dude, I made money in my funded accounts and then instead of locking out, I convinced myself to keep trading and then I lost all that money. I don't know. I don't know, man. You see what I'm talking about? Where was this type of love when I need? Oh my God, dude. Where was this love at? Where was this at? Where was this at when I needed it? All I got was chop. And my practice account gets all the fluent $2,000, $3,000 moves, $5,000 moves that I could have made in my XFA. But it only seems to work out in the practice account. Okay. Well. I have an addiction to silver. I mean, I like the big P&Ls, just like you said, Alfred. Just like you said, that's crazy. It's crazy how I can come back and find my stop. That's so crazy. That's so crazy. It was literally up about what? It's like $2,000 right there. It was up 2,000 on 2 contracts. And then I guess this is for the best, I guess. I guess this is for the best. I would blow this account too. All right. All right. Okay. want the nude. You don't want the nude. Well, I don't. I don't lose often, but when I do, it's usually all my accounts. So I just have like one big cascading loss across accounts. But you're right, Gameway. It doesn't normally happen. It is mostly self-sabotage, man. It really is. It's mostly self-sabotage. So that's why I'm just gonna cut down on all the accounts because I keep doing this. When I have like too many accounts that I have to perform across, I guess over time I just kind of get tired of the because I have to like waiting for a good setup doesn't come along too often. I try to look for a good setup across multiple accounts. It's mentally draining. So I guess what I usually start to do is just start blowing accounts to get rid of them. So I'm not gonna buy any more accounts. I'm not gonna. I mean, I did just buy this 150k Top Step account, but I'm just gonna take that one slow. I'm just gonna just trade that account. I'm just gonna just trade that account afterwards. Kind of like kind of like the futures desk at night. I'll just probably trade that Top Step account like in the morning or something. Like after I'm done with my funded accounts, I'll just probably trade it like that. Just take my time with it, I guess. I don't know, man. I'm just tired of this bullshit, man. Just tired of it. I don't know why, like, dude, like, I don't know why this is working right now. It was just a random limit that I left up here. I mean, yeah, we're getting a range breakout, but, or I guess potentially we could see a range breakout here, but like when you're in the practice account, you're getting these perfect entries, little to no drawdown. They're bouncing at your limit, and then they're just going higher. It's just stuff like this, man. Anyway, John, are you there? Are you there, John? Are you in the audience right now? Because I did say that we'll kind of talk about what I look for when I trade metals. And so I had a bad morning and then I had a bad afternoon. Today was just a bad day. Bad performance day. Sometimes I tell myself that, just a lockout, but I'm not doing that shit. I'll just take the loss. I'm just not going to bitch out. It's because I don't feel good. It's because I don't feel confident or I don't feel like I'm not going to do something based on how I feel. I'm going to show up and trade every day. And try to do my best to make money. Yeah, shit, pretty much. Pretty much. Yeah, so yeah, I'm just focusing on silver now. I'm not even gonna pay attention to gold anymore. Gold is gold just needs to calm the fuck down. It's just too much, man. Trying to keep up with the major lows and the major highs on gold right now is just so crazy. Like it's just so crazy how volatile gold is right now. Yeah, Alfred. I mean, it's just frustrating, man. I'm just frustrated. I'm just frustrated with my performance today because it just seems like no matter what I did, it just wasn't enough. And I just felt it just wasn't enough, man. It just was just frustrating, man. I just don't like that. I mean, mostly it's just the icing on the cake is just that I lost all that money today. Just lost all that money, and so all this like this entire week of work is just gone. It's just gone, and that's what I'm just frustrated about. Just because it missed one limit, like it's so crazy to think about that I lost $2,700 trying to make $700. Like that's crazy. And then I was trading in the direction of the trend, just got chopped up. So I was like, man, uh, I mean, I kind of knew better. I should have just waited, but I just got so impatient. I didn't want to wait. And that's kind of why I just hate that I hate the fact that there's no risk settings because in that account because I just would have lost $200, maybe $500 at the most. But now I have to completely start over, and that's what's so frustrating. I have to start over. I want my money and I want it now. I want my money and I want it now. Okay. All right, man. I'm just gonna stop crying about this. I mean, it's over with. It's over with. And I think why I mean Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Uh, man. Mm. You said that I can't. Investor Z. That's actually what I'm doing. I mean, it's y'all guys don't see it because I'm moving my targets further away. But the reason why I'm laughing and the reason why I'm kind of frustrated is because I'm getting my target hit. It's just that I'm moving it. So it looks like I'm not getting it hit, but my $720 tick or 72 tick stop does get hit. I'm just moving the target. Oh, what the hell? I blew the account? Hmm. My target does get hit. That's why that's why I'm able to grow it. That's why I'm able to grow my account so fast because this is where my target would be at right here. At 850. But mm, 705. And this is what kind of silver did to me earlier today. It just kept chopping me up. Mm. All right. Mm. Just gotta start, man. Uh, I basically gave it $700. Okay. You about to stack up on physical silver? Man, can't wait. I mean, I'm not gonna listen to that. I'm not gonna listen to that. I'm not gonna listen to that. I had one bad day. I mean, I have several bad days on silver, but for the most part, we get silver. We get the job done with silver. Man, come on, silver. That's kind of nasty there. We get the job done with silver. There's no need for any other 7,500. See, I would have got my target hit right there. But I'm in the practice account, so I'm not necessarily trading for targets here. I'm just trying to just trade. I'm just trading at this point. I'm not even thinking about my injuries. I think, yeah, I think that's what it is, man. When I've had enough, because mentally, I just feel mentally drained right now. I mean, obviously because I lost money. I mean, that's the main part of it, obviously, but it's mentally draining trading across too many accounts at one time. You know what? I think what I'll probably do is mm, 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 mm. 326 ticks. I would have been up $8,100 in silver. $8,100 in silver. Man. Oh yeah. Nah, I can't accept that, Alfred. That account for whatever, it don't matter what I trade in that account. You know, that's interesting though. That's interesting. That is interesting. We don't take too many silver losses. We don't take too many of those. But y'all guys think that I should go back and trade ES? It's interesting. We made so much money in silver. But silver is dangerous for the tilt version of Sherm. Tilt Sherm. Revenge trade Sherm. Silver is very dangerous. You know, I don't care if they block. I mean, well, Apex and Top Step has blocked it, but it looks like nobody else has. And right now, I think that will be. I don't think a firm would want to not offer silver or gold right now. They would definitely see a decline in sales. I mean, I won't buy any more Tradify accounts because they don't have micro silver. I'm not going to trade gold over silver. I'm just not. I'm not trading gold over silver. I don't even want to look at gold anymore. It's just so crazy, man. Gold is just like so freaking crazy. It's crazy right now. Dude, it's like I have to spend like I guess I don't have to. But, I'm sitting here trying to identify highs and lows, and I guess we'll talk about this tomorrow if John's here. Yeah, John said that he was having trouble with metals, and the main thing that I look for when I'm looking at metals is the current trading range. What is the most recent major low and major high? And we look for breaks of structures of this low, and this is the break of this low tells us that the bulls have failed. The bears broke structures, so that pullback into this area will produce a nice short, but it pulls back. It doesn't pull deep into this area. I mean, it's still technically it kind of looks like it kind of did pull back to like the 50% of this move. Let me measure this actually. Yeah, so yeah, hey, I just eyeballed 50% of the move. That's pretty insane. I just straight up eyeballed 50%. Anyway, yeah, so it basically pulled back to the 50% of this move, and then we seen a rejection. Let's see what we can see right here. Yeah, it pulled back into the 50%, the 618, and now we're starting to see the market. So I think the market probably goes back up. Probably to this area right here, 79% potentially. But right now, this is the current trading range, and until the market breaks out of this high right here, until it breaks out of this high, you have to give the bears their grace, because until they break this high, which they're going to probably break out and fail, it's going to probably come crashing right back down into this range right here. We got to keep trading short until the bears fail to hold it, and then the bulls break out, pull back, break out, pull back, and then go. But I mean, look at all this moving with gold. I mean, it's pretty difficult to just keep up with the most current one, because it's just moving. And then all this moving, but at the same time, even 5 contracts doesn't even amount to how much money I can make in silver. That's why it's like, you know what, I might just focus on silver. Just focus on just silver instead of trying to look at gold and silver at the same time. Like I said, silver is pretty simple. Right now, this is the current trading range right now. This is the current trading range. That's the current trading range. So in this area, I mean, we could see the market trade higher, but it's more likely for shorts to work until we break above this high. This wouldn't be, this is more of an impulsive leg. So right here, this leg right here, this entire, this leg right here would be the entire impulsive leg, because this is a small little pullback. It didn't dig deep into the discount or the premium zone. Actually, I can't even see that probably. So yeah, so this leg will probably be seen as one entire leg, because this leg didn't pull back into the premium zone. This leg is still in the what would be considered the discount, and it rejected. So there's still orders sitting up here, and it was a move to bring this thing all the way down here, and that's basically what I look at. And then we got breaks the structure to the left. So I mean, even if this does, I mean, I guess with silver, I guess anything is possible. I mean, somebody can say something and all these stops, I mean, could potentially get ran. But under normal circumstances, when price trades into this area, we should see another rejection potentially. We'll see. I mean, we do have the market basing, so we could see a change of character. We could see the trend reverse here. So I guess we'll see. Yeah, what's up, Manny? Yeah, currently I don't have a position in silver. I kind of already made my just right now I'm just playing around in the practice account. I made the max profit for my 150k XFA. I did have a losing trade in silver. I lost $2,700 in my funded account, so that wasn't fun. But we'll get that shit back tomorrow. Oh, that's interesting though. He says, do you really think they care to lose a small percentage of traders due to not being able to? Well, I mean, I don't know, Investor Z, because these firms are fighting for market share. I mean, a lot of traders are trading gold and silver right now. So if the firms are not going to offer what traders are trading, then they're not going to get that business. But I mean, I can see it from your point, because I mean, you have a lot more traders, you know, requesting payouts because of how volatile the metals are right now. So, I mean, I guess because they haven't completely blocked it. I mean, well, Apex doesn't offer micro silver, so I mean that doesn't even matter. But you can still trade. I'm assuming you can still trade micro gold on Apex, right? They said that they blocked the minis, but I think the micros may still be available. Yeah. And the firms that's going to offer their metals are going to see an increase in their sales, because, like I said, I have no complaints about Tradeify. I actually enjoyed trading with Tradeify when I was trading with gold, but now I'm a silver trader, and I want to trade micro silver, and for whatever reason, they're choosing not to offer it. So I can't buy any more accounts. And I don't understand why they just won't offer micro silver. I mean, you would think that they will offer micro silver versus the full mini, but I mean, it's their business. They can do what they want, and I can go to the firms that do offer micro silver, like Lucid and TopStep and My Funded Futures and all those other places. So at this point, if you don't offer micro silver, I'm just not going to buy an account. I mean, yeah, yeah. Damn, Apex blocked it. Oh, you can't even trade no metals on Apex? Yo, that's crazy, yo. Damn. Well, shit. If I needed, like, if I still had any Apex accounts, it would have got, all of them would have got canceled. I don't like the word temporarily, and I don't like the word indefinite, because they both mean the same thing to me. If you don't have a set date to when I can expect to trade these products, I'm not going to sit here and wait on it. Anybody got time for that? I'm going to go to the firms that it's like, you know what? We're going to take the risk. We're going to take the risk. And Apex acting like they care about the traders. Man, get the fuck on out of here, Apex. Due to volatility, we're going to temporarily disable. You're supposed to be a casino. You're supposed to do a little bit better than that. All right, so let's see, man. Looks like it is rejecting at the 50% of my range right there. Let me see if I can get like a break. It'll probably pop right back up because, you know, this is silver and being nasty. Yeah, it literally bounced at that. Yeah, like it literally bounced there. Oh, okay. Yeah, I definitely agree with that, John. I definitely agree. A lot more traders are getting paid out. You can go into the TopStep forum, the metals chat, and see it. And that's probably why they're restricting so much of I mean, a lot of people lost their accounts, big accounts with big balances trading silver. But some people are getting really lucky, getting 10K, 20K. I've seen someone actually make 100K. Actually, let's see if we can find it. Someone actually had an 100K balance today on freaking silver. And you know what? I'm not gonna lie. It should have been me, not him. Nah, I'm just playing. I'm just playing. It should have been me, not him. Let me see if I can find it. But this person made 100K today, or tonight on silver on that drop. And you know, when I see stuff like that, when I can see what's possible. And oh shit! Ah, damn it! I really don't know why. I didn't mean for it to hit my target. There's somebody made $27,000 tonight, and you can only make that amount of money on one instrument, and that's silver. But I really want to look for that person with that made the 100K tonight. Cause it's like, man. Yeah. This I was reading the messages of this dude. He said that last month he made 17K, and for whatever this week he lost that account, or he lost that account this week, and he's just been on a losing streak ever since. And honestly, that's so understandable. It's hard to get over those accounts, or the accounts with the big balance, and you lose them due to foolishness and the unwillingness to follow your plan or adhere to your plan. Those ones hurt the most. And it's hard to get over that, because now you're trading just to get back what I guess you perceive that you've lost, and then that's when them losing streaks start to happen. Dude, I don't know. It's kind of foolish to me. Yes, because I guess I have an expectation of what I expect. That's hilarious. Okay. Well, I guess. I guess I can't find it. I guess I should have took the screenshot. I guess I didn't really think I was gonna talk about it, but I feel like that should be me, man. But I guess I feel like I just won't allow myself to do it. Yeah, you get tired of that too. You get tired of that. Like, what's the point of that, man? What's the point of that? I like super front ran my. You know what? Whatever, man. Whatever. Whatever, dude. Wow. So this is his P&L right here, and that's what I'm talking about, dude. This is what I should be doing at this point. But for whatever reason, I just won't allow myself to do this, man. just want to allow myself to do it. I don't know why. Nice. Yeah, I appreciate you sharing that, Alfred. Mm. Yeah, don't you just hate that? One of the traders in this forum was saying that one of the traders in here is saying that he blew his funded account, and actually, dude, look at that. Look at that. Dude, look at freaking that, dude. Look at that. $60,000 in a freaking position. But it's a combine though, so I guess that don't even matter. That doesn't matter. Yeah, silver is paying a lot of people. Hmm. Yeah, it's just weak. It's just weak. That's hilarious. That's hilarious, dude. That's hilarious. I'm just gonna probably look through like 2 more pages. I can't. Well, he might have taken it down. That's probably why I can't find it, because there's no freaking way. He probably took. Because it's like there's no way I can't find it. Yeah. Congratulations to this trader. Look at his balances in 2 trades. He's making 6, 5, 7,000. Pretty good day, man. 5K day, 50K day. Nice. 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 And that's what I'm trying to do too, man. I'm trying to have these 50K days, man. 50K, 100K days. Okay. I guess I just have to lock in then, I guess, right? Super lock in. Oh, so you only trade a micro silver lone wolf? Oh, okay. So you trade silver. Okay, I thought so. I was like, okay. But yeah, Apex says, nah, y'all ain't about to get rich off of us because silver acting, silver and gold. But you know, oh come on, silver, come on. All right. I mean, you got a higher high there or higher low. Okay. The one thing that I will say that I like about Top Step X is that at least my orders will get filled. I haven't had an issue with right there. My order got filled at my area, so that's the one thing that I like about Top Step X, because in my Lucid account, if I would have done this in my Lucid account, my order wouldn't have gotten filled at all, and it would have pissed me off. You know, Lone Wolf, I was actually looking at day traders today, man. I was actually considering about getting a static account. I was considering it. And then I saw that you needed 8 qualifying Q days, is what they call it, right? You need 8 Q days for a payout, and man, I think I'm kind of I'm with Alfred now. I'm with Alfred. I don't care for the trading 5 days before getting the payout rule anymore. I don't care for it. All right. Actually, I probably should take. Well, we'll see. Probably see maybe a bounce right here. Maybe we'll see. Think or no 700. Yeah, it's like right there, 700 bounce right. Okay. Yeah, we should probably see a bounce at 700. Kind of what we're seeing now. Yeah, okay, there's a bounce. I mean, I don't think it reverses or nothing. I just think it bounces, or I guess I don't have to think anymore. It did bounce at 700. I mean, so far we're up, or I guess we were up about 264 ticks. I want to go back to silver, man. Or if I need to trade 4 micro contracts on micro silver, then I'm gonna do that. Man, like these big moves that we're catching, man. On silver, I'll be up like 5K or something like that. But I will also say this, even though I'm up 5K, I'm not even for, I don't know, man. I really don't know what I want. I don't know what I want. I don't know what I want. I want to trade silver. I want to go back to trading silver to get this the big P&Ls. But there's no fulfillment. The micros is pretty good, but then when I catch a big move like this, it's like, well, shit, I wish I was in silver. So it's like, well, goddamn, make up your mind. What do you want? Oh, shit. I was about to say, dude, what the hell? All right, well, let's see. That's a no-go. I wonder why. Oh, okay, yeah, because, okay. Okay. I was like, dude, why was my stop all the way up there? But then I forgot I'm adding to the position. No, hold on, still. Oh, yeah, because my entry was like right here. Okay. Like, why is my stop all the way up there? I guess what I could have done, or what I can do, is not necessarily getting out the entire position, but just stopping out on the position that I added on. You know, that's actually true, man. That's actually true. I was actually talking about Smith about that same exact thing, Alfred, man. I guess when you get to a point where you're just trading for entertainment, I guess that's what it really is. Just entertainment. I mean, once you've kind of made a certain amount of money in the markets, you kind of proven to yourself that you can do it. There's no doubt. It just becomes something to do. It becomes entertaining. Actually, I want to actually read off. I said that it's crazy. We tell ourselves that it says hold on. Let me see if I can. Let me see if I can just send this. Okay. So yeah, I saw this meme, which I thought was yeah, so I saw this right here, right? So success takes time, and then it says we don't have time. And it's like the meme was like the internal battle, the inner battle. And dude, this is so true, man. This is so freaking true. Success takes time, but then there's that voice in your head that tells you that we don't have time. And then I was like, dude, and when we get what we want our money, and we want our money now. Once we get the money, we don't even want the money anymore. It's like, oh, okay, yeah, I got the payout, or I got the money that I wanted. It's just a vindication of it all. And we go on to the next thing. And I was like, it's just interesting. It's just the inner conflict about it. It's like, just be focused. Just grow the account, you know? But that inner demon, that voice in the head doesn't allow you to do it. or he won't allow you to do it, or it won't allow you to do it, right? I want my money and I want it now. It's that simple. I want what I want and I want it now. Yeah, I'm working on it. I mean, what really gets me is that when I become impatient, it's like, what am I becoming impatient for? But it'll work out. I mean, I just don't know how or why I get to a point where nothing is good enough. I really don't. And I'm talking about in P&L wise. I mean, how can I be up 5, 10, 12,000, $20,000 and say that shit ain't good enough? And that I can go for more. I mean, I understand it's greed, but I mean, what is it about greed that just hijacks the entire system, prevents real logic? I mean, just imagine being up 5K. You know, a lot of people don't even make that in a month. 5Ks is probably like 2 or 3 months worth of checks. 5K. It takes probably people 4 paychecks, 5 paychecks just to get to 5K. And here I am up 5K just, you know, casually. And I was like, yeah, that ain't enough. I just lost 2 or 3K. But I mean, I don't look at the world that way. I don't. Because I guess there's money to always be made, man. There's always money to be made, but like right now, I just low key, I just want to I see somebody that made $50,000 today, 100,000. I seen somebody made $100,000 today. And now that's what I want. But in order to get those $100,000 days, I have to catch like a move like this and be able to identify when a move like this happens. Like, I mean, who would have thought that something like this thing pushes higher and then wow, I didn't even see that. It pushes higher into supply and then it super dumps. Who would have guessed something like this? Who would have thought? Who would have guessed this? Who says that, you know what, I'm gonna be in a short and I'm just gonna see how far it goes today? Like it's well, Alfred, I feel like at this point in my trading career, I should be able to identify when the market is going to make a big move. I've been on these charts long enough. Yeah, that's definitely true. You know, we spoke about this before, but one of the big things that I'm working on is differentiating um, the wants of my mind and the wants of my body or soul or whatever. And what I mean by that, what I mean by that is, I guess as humans, we got to pay attention that we're not serving the mind and that the mind is serving us. Because the mind, when the mind gets hungry, you can never satisfy a hunger that's within your mind, because obviously it's your stomach that gets filled with food. When your body is hungry, you eat, but when your mind is hungry, like when you think about, oh man, right now I can eat like a whole cow if I want to. If you give into those desires, the desires of the mind, it will never be fulfilled. If you serve the mind, it will give you tasks that can never be fulfilled. And yet, I still allow my ideals to dictate my actions at times, even though I know better. Oh, sorry about that. I still allow my mind to dictate my actions, even though I know better. Even though I know better. Like a big thing that I do for whatever reason. I don't eat cookies or cakes or anything like that, but there are times where I will allow my mind to convince me just eat one. Just eat one cookie. It's not gonna kill you or nothing. It's not gonna kill you. Just eat one. Next thing I know, one cookie turns to like 3 packs. I just ate 3 freaking packs of cookies. Like, well, shit, all it took was one. The inside bar. Let me look at that. And then, and then I'm about to go to bed too. But we'll look at that real quick. Let's look at the 5-minute. All right, so do we have an inside bar? So right now we don't have an inside bar. Let me take this off. Yeah, this is an outside bar. This is an outside bar. So silver hasn't had an inside bar yet. At least not in this consolidation area. We haven't had an inside bar on the 5-minute. Let me look at this. Okay. Dude, okay. Is this page retarded or something? I mean, that's interesting. It's saying that this is, well, I guess technically. So why does it look different on this chart? Well, I apologize. I guess it did. It doesn't look this. Oh, this is the 15-minute. Okay, I was about to say, dude, that. Huh. So this is a 15-minute inside bar, but we haven't had one on the 5-minute yet. I guess this was an inside bar. Yeah, these candles look different. Yeah, these candles look different. So why is Top Steps candles look different than Trading Views candles? That's interesting. And these are both 5-minute candles. That's interesting. That is interesting. Top step. That candle. See, that candle right there doesn't, I mean, that's obvious. I mean, that's pretty obvious. So why are their candles different than trading views? So which one is right? Or actually, okay, my bad. My bad. I'm on. Seriously? Why is gold on this chart? Okay. Sorry about that, guys. Okay. Yeah, right here. Now I see it. Yeah, you were right. I was wrong. Well. I guess tomorrow is going to be a better day. Usually when I have these super stupid days where just it seems like everything goes wrong, the next day tends to balance itself out. I wonder, like, honestly, I really don't know why this chart was gold when it's literally silver. I really don't know how or why that even happened. But something like that similar happened today where I was looking for a report and someone else had to point it out that I was looking at the report from last year. I was like, dude, like, why the hell would this system offer me to look at? Because I just made the assumption that it was talking about January of this year, but I missed the fact that it was talking about January of last year, and I was like, why the hell would it? Like, why would that even still be available? You know, small little mistakes like that, man. Small little mistakes. Okay. Well, the inside bar strategy, it definitely works, but you definitely have to be mindful where you take the trade. You definitely have to be mindful where you take the trade, especially if you're going to do it on silver, because if you got caught in this consolidation, because there's no way. I mean, I guess you can if you want, but this candle, between this candle, if you put your stop behind this candle like the strategy suggests, you would probably take a big loss if the market were to came back. But in this situation, that was a decent winner. But I guess what I don't necessarily like is just the amount of risk I have to put on to be safe in the move. If you take the break, I mean, this was a winner and then it broke higher. This was a break and then it pulled back. You had to have your stop behind the candle to be safe. And then it was a winner. You have a candle right there. Yeah, it did break out. It would have triggered you. And then it would have stopped you out. This candle would have triggered you. And then it would have stopped you out. This candle broke. And that would have been a super winner. This candle broke. Depending on... Yeah, if it just went completely like this, yeah, that was a super winner right there. Super winner. This candle, that was a winner. And if you try to go for the highs, it stops you out. But I guess if you took the break of the candle down, it would have triggered you and then it would have stopped you out. Well, I guess it depends. So this is where it opened. This is where it closed. So I guess what it probably did was it probably triggered and then pulled back and then it closed. And if you had your stop like right there, I guess you still would have been safe. Oh no, it would have stopped you out on this candle. It would have stopped you out on that candle right there. And then after it stopped out the inside bar candle traders, which silver is pretty good at that. Silver is really good at finding where the liquidity is, and then going in your direction. It's really good at that. That's pretty good. You're saying look at the one from 8860. 8860. Yeah. Yeah. It's pretty good. Are you talking about this candle? Yeah. Yeah, this was the super inside bar candle right here that, man, if you took that trade, I wonder if the person that made the 100K today probably took this trade on the inside bar and just held. All right, well, mm, okay, yeah. But all right, guys, that's gonna be it for me tonight. Very challenging day for me. I guess every once in a while I have these days where, I mean, nothing seems to work out. And it's not a good feeling. It's not a good feeling. I don't know how, they say that you got to fail to be successful. Honestly, I don't know how anybody gets past the failure part because it feels horrible. It feels horrible. If someone doesn't tell you that you have to fail forward, to fail to move forward, how does anybody know? It just feels horrible. It makes you feel, yeah, it just makes you feel horrible, man. I don't feel good. I don't feel like I learned anything today. I just felt like the market cheated me out of a lot of great positions. Uh, and yeah, I just don't like it. So I'm gonna just come back tomorrow. Hopefully my other account is working. I don't know what the hell is wrong with it now, but hopefully the futures desk, uh, hopefully is going to be available for us tomorrow. Actually, let's see. Ah, oh, man. All right. I guess we'll just trade this tomorrow, man. We'll trade it tomorrow. So okay. All right, guys. That's it for me tonight. I do appreciate everybody that joined. We'll definitely come back tomorrow morning, and we'll definitely look for more opportunities to earn some more money. And with that said, peace out, everybody, and keep on.